Hello guys, welcome back to Geeks. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word document, and I'll show you two simple ways you can do it for free. So guys, let's get started. Now first, what you need to the process of converting PDF to Word document is a laptop or a desktop and internet connection. So once you have all this, now let's start with the first way of converting PDF to Word document. So you can convert PDF to Word document using your browser, and this is how you can do it. Now on your PC, you need to open any browser you want to use, so it can be Google Chrome or any other browser. Once you're on your browser, just search a PDF to doc. Then on your search results here, you need to click on the first link right here. This page will open up, right? So next, you can drag and drop your PDF file inside here, or you can click on upload files and then pick the PDF file from your PC. Just the way I'm doing. So once the upload process is complete, which will only take a few seconds, just click on download right here, and as you can see, the file will be downloaded in Word document format. So just go ahead and open your file, then click on enable editing up here, and from there you'll be able to make any changes on your converted document. The second way, you can convert PDF to Word document using Google Drive app on your PC, and this will require you to sign in to any Google account. It can be yours or any other person's account. If you're using Google Chrome browser, it will be easy for you. You only need to click on this menu right here. Then next, on this Google Apps, you need to click on Drive right here, and your Google Drive will open up. Once your Google Drive opens, you need to upload your PDF file. So to make it quick, just drag and drop your file just like this. Once the upload process is complete, take your cursor to your file, to your PDF file. So mine is here. Then right click on it, and from these options, go to open with, and another options will pop up on your right. So just go and click on Google Docs, right? Then next, on your Google Doc page right here in the top right hand corner of your screen, you need to click on file. On this drop down options, go to download. Then from your second pop-up, you need to click on Microsoft Word, right? And your document will be downloaded in Word format. So you can open it and edit your document as you want, right? So using this process, mostly text format cannot be maintained, so you will have to check and edit the whole document, right? But you can see how easy you can convert your PDF file to Word document. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section. So thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.